Hey, welcome to another vlog. I just got ready. It's Sunday. Good morning, everybody. I'm rinsing some grapes right now to eat with my breakfast. Costco grapes, you can't tell the firmness on the screen, obviously. They have the firmest, juiciest, biggest grapes I've ever seen and tasted in my entire life, dude. Like, look how frosty they look from being in the fridge. Okay. Okay, I just put the laundry in. I made these chocolate chip pancakes. It's like from this. This is chocolate and blueberry. Dude, this is crazy. It's like 51 plus mile per hour winds right now. That's just what my weather app says. I don't know if our fence is gonna make it. I don't know if you can tell how freaking windy it is. You guys, look how windy it is. I might mute this part if it like hurts your ears though. Can you tell? Hold on. It's literally so windy outside. Our power just went out and my dad's at work and his power just went out and he's like 20 to 30 minutes away from me. So I think I'm just gonna tidy the house up. Okay, my power literally has been out for a couple hours. I'm literally just laying on the couch with my dog. There's my dog, my cat's over there. I lit some candles and I have like that flashlight that my dad gave me. What is that? She's such a princess, she's a princess girl. Oh my goodness. Is that your new toy? Who got you that toy? Did Grandma get you that toy? Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. I'm gonna have beef stew for breakfast. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Okay, now we're at a rest area. My dog's like freaking out because that's his dad. That's my boyfriend. He's gonna go to the bathroom and then he's gonna take Jason on a walk while I go to the bathroom. We got burgers. We're back. It's like 5. got a regular cheeseburger. So good. Ranch. These are just waters, and he got like a jalapeno, bacon, whatever. I got fries, he got tater tots. You're being such a good boy. He had such a fun time at the ocean, huh? That's my boyfriend and my dog.